I look so good. Like, I look good, damn good.
At these dogs home.
Yeah.
At least you like basmati rice. It's fucking good. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As y'all know already from y'all see the face, y'all know who the fuck it is. It's the one and only Tishane Campbell, period. Okay, so as y'all see, y'all getting a vlog today. Hooray. Yeah, so I'm going on the road. I have a few errands to run. I need to get my braces fixed. See, I need to go to a shipping company. I need to send off a package down at Knutsford to my friend, and I need to do one more thing. I'm going to look for my friend also up at her store, Yallah's Collection. Go check her out, clock it, okay? And I'm going to Starbucks, so I'm going to treat myself and mainly so I can vlog for you guys. So right now I'm trying to look for what to wear. I just spread my bed and I'm trying to look for what to wear, what to do. I'm thinking about wearing my Rick Owens with this. I think they would look so sick together, but and I have a skirt. An idea is coming to my head, but I'm wondering if it will look good. I don't know, but I have a gray skirt. This has a bit of gray on it, and my Rick Owens. Yeah. Anyways, that's what we're going to do today. So now I'm going to look for the rest of the stuff and go and take a shower and then get dressed. So let's go. So this is what we're working with. This is the fit. This is the top with the skirt. I need to buy an iron. These are my fragrances and my Rick Owens. I only wore it once, so let's see how this goes. Should I bring you guys to shower with me? How long haven't y'all seen me shower? A pretty long time. I might bring y'all. So I need to buy an hot comb too, so remind me. Yeah, I'm going to shower now. I have an appointment at like 2:30 and I need to go to the shipping company. It's always full, so hopefully I'm gonna get through soon enough. So yeah, so now I'm going to brush my teeth. Yeah, I'm gonna brush the good boy. I didn't like calling my teeth good boy. Oh shit, not this one. Where is my toothpaste? Oh, because I was like, don't come and embarrass me now, please. I beg. I left my tripod in Portmore because it could have been taller, but this tripod is what we have to work with, and it's not long enough, obviously. What am I doing? Oh, it's still shut. I was like, what is you doing? So this is it. Because every time I go to my breast them, I'm giving me toothbrush to brush my teeth. And then I can do it with everybody. I have to do it with everybody. You have to brush that. When you have to brush that, so don't put away your pan. So, and every time I try to brush them and make sure that them clean and good, I still get toothbrush. So probably just one thing here. Even if I'm not dirty, I'm gonna get a toothbrush. Who knows? So yeah, I'm going to hold a show now. And guys, no. You see how when other creators, this is a realistic thing today. When you see how other creators we have up all of the nice stuff them, I don't have none right now. I have my Irish Spring soap and I have this little body scrub I get from I take from my auntie, she care for my friend. It's a limited edition too, so like that. So those are what I'll be using today, and I already used this when I did the video. It's a metal, but you either use my already use this though, but we need to start using more. So let's go. So go listen to some music where I'm up here though. Oh. My hair wet, my eyes totally shut. Anyways guys, I'll see y'all in the room. So guys, in my room now, I'm about to put on my clothing. Well, let me put on my roll-on. This is the gray. Why your arm grows so fast? Because I literally shaved my arm the other day. Well, I put some nail under there and it was so clean, like probably like a week ago. That's ridiculous. Anyways, these are the fragrances. There's some Bath and Body Works. Oh Jesus Christ, child, stay in, because what is you like, you're doing too much though. I need to spray on my Zara. I just did this for the video. This is all the influencers are. Like they want people to see what they have. Anyways, anywho, let's find a pansy to put on, child. Let me find a black one. I wore a black one yesterday, you know. I just took off a black one. I'm gonna wear this pink, this lavender looking one. So posing. It crushed up so bad. Maybe I won't wear it because it's so crushed. But let's see. So guys, this is the skirt with the it is the skirt with the top. It's cute. Let me switch the camera. Yeah. Oh wow. Oh wow. This is how it looks. It's actually cute. And then maricone, but I think I'm going to go and borrow the iron from my landlord. Yeah, I'm gonna put the shoes on with it first though and see how it looks. But it's cute. What y'all think? It looks cute. It looks good to me. I don't know. I don't care about y'all. Honestly. Your opinions, I should say. But yeah. So guys, I get it pressed. Like this is literally so cute. Like it's cute. It's literally so cute though. Yeah, it is cute. What do y'all think? And then with my Rick Owens purr, I have a silver bag, but I might go with my black bag. Let's see. So yeah, like I have as I said, this is my favorite bag. So I have this one, much for the occasion, yeah. And then I have this one. So this would go with the. Let me show you. And I've never worn this before. The Chanel bag would to go with the gray, but it has gold. But then my hair kind of has gold, so I really don't know. I don't know. What's the other camera? It's actually cute, you know. It's cute. I need to flatten my hair. I look so good. Like I look damn good. Too bad it broke, but it's cute. Yeah, it's cute. If I had my gold chain, that would just be but unfortunately I don't. Should I mix silver and gold? Would that be cute? It is cute right here, so why not? Well, if this is what we're working with, it is what we're working with, right? Let me put on some rings on my fingers, oh my lord. Okay guys, I'm going to fix my hair now. Good. Yeah, so you're looking good. Gold and silver, pearl. Oh my god, like no, I look like me I go out. You see me I talk the English? I look like me I go out. I need to put things in my OMG guys. Like, let me show y'all me. Like, look at that bitch. Like, who is she? Oh no. So guys, it's time for me to try and fix my hair. I was going to put the black band over it, but I might just not. Oh, I look the fuck good. Like, I look fucking good. Like, y'all, don't play with it. Like, y'all know when I put on something, I'ma look good, period. But even if you're gonna wait for look good, Tro. Like, what? Don't play with me. Like, nah, like, this bitch looks so fucking good. Like, if somebody not come wife her up now, on the can't wife her up again, my love. On the can't wife her up again, cause the girl look good. The girl look good, the girl smell good. The girl everything. Murder Finlandia. Not me saying murder Finlandia. Yeah, the girl look good, an easy one to fix, you know. And the girl have clothes. And when the girl thinks she not have clothes, she have clothes. She look good the fuck. I look good, man. I'm not lying. I look really damn good. I look so damn good, bro. Like, it's so crazy. So crazy though. I was going to go and pick up the packages today, but nah, cause I don't want to be walking around looking this good with packages. Okay, so I'll collect them Monday. So then I'll continue. Cause this vlog, today is Saturday. This vlog, I have other vlogs to post before this one either way. So yeah, I can still, I could still just, it's because my hair was wet, that's why it's like this, but yeah, I could still put it in the vlog when I'm collecting my packages and stuff. Yep. So guys, this is the hair is done. Yeah. When you need nothing more than this, right please? Right, when you need nothing more than this, yeah man. How this, period. We look good. We smell good, but you'll experience some more fragrance. For smell even more good. That light is so cute. That light make me look, oh my god, I need it. Like guys, it's so crazy how cute I am. Like, stop, don't play with it. Anyways, it's imagine put that one like a makeup. True, I don't even done, but I'm going to go pack my bag. Do you want to see that too now? I'm going to go pack my bag and then head off. So guys, I'm leaving now. First, I'm gonna get my eyebrow shade and probably doing the eyebrow shade to brighten up the face. Go on the next side, my lady girl.
I guess come on.
She could have got on the next side. Lord have mercy. Anyways, as I was saying, sorry. So as I was saying, I'm gonna get my eyebrow shade and then I'm gonna put on and I'm gonna do my braces next. I think I have a machine to draw money. So yeah. More conversation, it adds more, you know. Guys, me I call my braces guy. I'm not get him. I'm not get him, so now me I don't must go. Please work. I ain't see the flow the same now. Look at some call my man and come down here. But I got the me. I got to shave my eyebrows then. But then shave my eyebrows then. I'm ready to be onto the lash walk. But let's drop in here. Hopefully we're not gonna have to see the airport. You feel me? So, yeah. I'm gonna shave my eyebrow them now. And then I'm gonna look for my friend. And that's about it. I'm not gonna remember all of it. Anyways, I just make up with family, but yeah. Ear kinda. But let's go. My face is a fucking mess though. Because I'm supposed to be up and embarrass myself when I finish. But I don't really surprise them on them. But yeah, shave eyebrow time. Huh? But always pretty, so either way, it's not really. Anyways. Eyebrows are my big shares now, yeah. What do you look for? One cut right or something. But I think before, this is the eyebrows. I don't like them. Eyebrows crazy. I'm gonna start learning for the eyebrows. Yeah, the eyebrows. Yeah. I'm gonna start learning for them one eyebrows because that's crazy.
On the Joe?
Yeah, more to the true. Yeah, post you and tag and tell people tell a girlfriend safe with the coats. Yes, to make I joke me and make.
And then you want me a gunshot good the thick gun.
I joke me and make. My guys, my hungry man, see my mouth. But these are the braces then. Yeah, change them. I don't know.
I left out this one.
Yeah,
Active.
Active.
Yeah, man.
Bye guys. So guys, I'm going up at Manziel, the Indian restaurant. Y'all must use it by now. Yeah, it's probably like after 5 or after 6 right now. I am outside of it. That's where it is. So I'm going to go up there, get some Indian food in my stomach. Vlog for y'all. So wanna see how me I spend money to get content food now, because yeah, to get content food now. So only just watch the big A, the man support me like what is y'all doing? So let's go do that now. And my outfit is fire. Shut up, oh man. Anyways, let my video. Okay, so wait. So yeah, anyways, oh, these are my purses. I don't remember if I showed y'all, but yeah. So I'm going to eat some Indian food because maybe not plan. Watch your step. Anyways, so hello. Good afternoon. So I'm here, y'all. Let me show y'all the place again. Oh, up here, upgrade, up here, look different, man. So this is the inside, and this is the outside view. Guys, you see, I'm sitting right here so I can video for you all and get content for y'all. So if I burn up a phone on the cause it. But yeah. So guys, I just ordered a chicken tikka. Wait. Yeah, so I just ordered the chicken tikka masala. I'll put the word on the screen right here. I got my pop my drink. He made it for me. It make it so good. Like it tastes so good. Like this tastes so good. It's so good, guys. It's very good. This is a pop my drink, and he was saying he didn't have all the ingredients, but maybe he did this big one. So yeah, I'm just here chilling, you know. My phone is running out of storage. I have to be deleting stuff that I want to vlog for you guys. I want to remain consistent. So I'll probably like 3 vlogs or 2. I'll probably like 3 vlogs to post. So next week I can chill, and then the other week I can do things, you know what? Yeah. So yeah. Oh, I ordered the naan too to go with it. So this is how we're looking so nice. I may come back here tomorrow because trust me, their food is really good. The food is really good, guys. Did I show you my braces? Yeah, one piece braces, check them out here. 2 pieces here, chilling, relaxing, thinking about life, and maybe that's what's yeah. Alright, you guys want to watch me drink. Guys, the food is ready. This is the food. I'm gonna share out it now and then yeah. So let me share the food out. I hope the storage keep up with enough. I'm gonna start chopping my iPad. Maybe let me try and see it. And this is like basmati rice. It's fucking good. It's so fucking good, guys. Like, I think that's up here that is good. Look at the name, Manja restaurant. Leave it up to the Manja. It tastes good. It is really fucking good. I like it. It's kind of spicy, but it's good. But when I gonna eat this, I'm gonna have some. Ooh, thank you. Guys, we got lights. God said let there be light. And there was. We can see the food now. I'm sure. The food tastes so good. The rice is too fresh, not too. Eh? People sometimes out of that. It tastes so good now for you. Let me show y'all. So this is what I shared out, and I have this These are, I'm going to put it on the screen, I don't remember the name, but they're so fucking good. Guys, let me tell y'all, the food is so good. The lighting might be poor, but it's hot. I'm still vlogging for y'all. I think I might take some more rice, so I might carry home yeah, I'm gonna take more rice. So I can try to after this one. Yeah, I'm gonna get more rice. I'm gonna try the food right up. Oh, I'm ready for going back. Okay, I'm ready. So guys, we're finished eating now. And I got paid the bill soon. He's packing up my food. But I'm just basically ending off this vlog right here. So yeah, this is the end of the vlog. Period. Yeah. Hey y'all, so from y'all see the face, y'all know who it is. So basically this is a continuation of yesterday's vlog. I am going on the road. I am going to a beach. Yeah, so me I gotta be a beach and I'm going to vlog a little for you guys. So yeah, let me show y'all the OOTD real quick. Wait, let me turn the camera. I'm wearing this shirt that I got from Shein, these shorts, these orange slippers, and my Gucci bag. And I'm gonna catch up my ear. So yeah, I might let it out when I'm there, or I might not. I might not. But yeah, I am going to leave out now because they are there waiting on me, of course. But hey guys, keep my braces. But I spread on my bed this morning, you know, but to pull up and I have to leave out now, so yeah, but I look good too. Yeah, I look good, period. Let's lock up. Let me turn off these lights. Ooh. Let me turn these lights off and then I'll go. Look at these dogs home. Y'all, so our man say I have to pay 5,000 something for them ugly something right there, so for what I don't know. So guys, I'm there at the beach, but the place boring as fuck, so that's why y'all ain't getting no vlog, because this place is boring as fuck. But anyways, yeah. Guys, my toes are fucked up. Well, they must go to tomorrow. Yeah. The lighting is so sweet. So I'm reaching Starbucks now. Let me show y'all. Anyway, so this y'all, this is an Oreo or something. You know this is good. This is a chocolate croissant. I'm gonna try it and see if it's good. Ooh. So I go to the biscuit. So guys, this is the chocolate one now. I was eating the what's that one? I'm gonna forget about feet.